Good morning, Primary 5. Today, we will make a quick revision on what we studied during the last week. And we studied light. We discussed a simple question, why don't we see in the dark? And we don't see in the dark because we need light to fall on the object, then reflect to our eyes. That's why we don't see in the dark. Now, what's the light? Light is a form of energy that falls on the eye, causing sense of vision. And we knew that the light energy that can be seen called visible spectrum. Now, visible spectrum is the light energy that can be seen. Then we studied 5 properties of light. The first one is light travels in straight lines, which causes two phenomena. The first phenomenon is formation of shadow, and the second one is formation of inverted and minimized image through narrow holes. Second property is light transmits through different materials, and we classified the materials around us into 3 classes. The first class is transparent material, and we knew that transparent materials are the materials that allow most of light to pass through it, like glass. That's why my glass is made of glass, to allow me to see the things behind it. Second class is translucent material or semi-transparent materials. Translucent materials are the materials that allow some light to pass through it, like frosted glass. The third class is opaque materials, and opaque materials are the materials that doesn't allow any light rays to pass through it, like aluminum foil, iron, copper, and so on. And the third property is light reflection, and light reflects when it falls on an object. The best example for light reflection is the mirror, because mirror has a shiny and smooth surface which make a regular reflection. The fourth property is light refraction. Light refracts when passes between two different media. The fifth one is light separation, and light separated when it white light separated into 7 spectrum color when it passes through glass prism, and the 7 spectrum color we call them the rainbow. Now let's exercise. The first exercise is write the scientific term. It's the light energy that can be seen is visible spectrum. The change in direction of light rays when light passes from a transparent medium to another transparent medium. This is change in direction called light refraction. The third one, tool used to separate white light into 7 spectrum color is glass prism. Fourth one, the bouncing of light rays after falling on a surface is light reflection. The fifth one is materials that allow some light to pass through it are the translucent materials. Second exercise is give reason. The first one, moon is not considered as a source of light. Why moon is not considered as a source of light? Because moon reflects sunlight when light falls on it. Aluminum foil is an opaque material because aluminum foil doesn't allow light to pass through it. Formation of image through narrow holes because light travels in straight lines. The fourth one, you can see your image in the mirror because mirror has shiny and smooth surface which make a reflection of light. Seeing the pen bending in a transparent cup of water. Why? Because of the refraction of light. A rainbow appears in the sky during rainfall. Why we see rainbows in the sky during rainfall? Because the drops of water split sunlight or white light into 7 spectrum colors. That, that's it, and thanks to primary 5. I hope انكم تكونوا استفدتوا. شكرا جدا.